Alright guys, we're on another one today. Ethan's give us this one. Like a storage. Got an old washer here as well. Washer dryer is.
There's a proper old 70s.
Oh, the knobs on and that. Still got the knobs. Yeah. Don't know what this place is about today guys, but
Old cellar.
we'll have a look at it. Old toilet. It's like a big car room there guys, see that? All the windows are open. There's an old gravestone here. Check that guys. With Ethan Abandoned Explorer. An Urbex Ninja, yeah. There's an old grave here, seen this? Old gravestone on it and that.
I believe this used to be a care room. I don't know what this building behind us used to be.
I know, yeah.
There's an old gravestone here as well.
Oh dear. It's got an entrance. Let's get straight on it guys. Straight on it. It's got light out. Let's get straight on it. Oh wow. I don't know if we're going upstairs. I don't know about that situation. Someone's tried to burn this. Oh bastards. There's on fireplace here. Yeah guys, Ethan found this one. Go check out his channel.
Cool so far, yeah.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
So local as well?
Yeah. Just to end the day off nicely. I don't know if I should chance these stairs though guys. What do you reckon? It's a no-no. What am I doing, mate? Is it a no-no? I haven't even looked under the stairs. Fuck. Guys. What am I doing here? Let's have a look down here.
Oh, mad. Just gone up there.
I'm stupid, yeah. Really crackers.
Oh,
Why have I got up here, mate?
I'm cool. Which way have you gone, Tom?
Up fucking stairs, mate.
There's some solid stairs round here.
Oh, you're joking? You're gonna have to have a look at that, aren't I? Let's hold on.
Watch when you walk on this floor, Tom.
In a minute, I'm just shitting myself. Try and get back down. That didn't sound healthy.
No.
Nah. That's a scary one, mate, that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck that off.
We'll have a little look.
I wouldn't even bother.
No.
Well, enter your own risk, mate. I didn't tell you go up there. Fuck that. I didn't tell him go up there, guys. He went up there on his own. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that, mate. I'm glad you didn't go up there.
Why?
Because it's not safe at all. And it was stupid that I went up there. Still got the
Yeah.
Still got the bulb in the light.
Bars on the window.
I know, in the curtains. Oh, don't you want to move them because of the dust? Fireplace and that. These sinks here. And whatever that's called. Oh wow. There's a basement.
Down here, could Tom.
Yeah. Dusty in here. Look at this door. Hello, Mr. Ghost. How's it going, Mr. Ghost? I'll just add face recognition. Just add face recognition on my camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These steps, what Ethan's on about, sort of stairs.
Here.
Oh, look at that, that's like an old Belfast sink.
You're there in the corner, Chris.
Going through all this scaffold type stuff.
What's this in here?
Looks like somebody's come in with the intention of doing it back up.
I know there's all new doors and stuff here. Well, they are for the fire there. That big. Check this old light. Light fitting.
Tell you now why I've got a chance. You like?
That's the old fire in it. Big old doors and that. We've gone through here, yeah, we've been through here, haven't we? Big old stairs and that. Is there anything in the basement?
Cool, looks a little fine there.
Yeah.
Proper original floor.
Check the wallpaper, there's like two,
Yeah,
three wallpaper, different ones. That's cool as well. Loads of little bits and bobs. Old hammer. Wire brush.
Get down, Tom.
Tweezers. What's that? Like an old lead or something.
See right through there where that floor's gone.
No idea, guys. Let's go all the way down this.
How rotten that is.
It's a bit dangerous, isn't it? Oh wow. It's like a few things down here. Old brush.
Tom's having
Cobbler's brush.
Might follow him down.
It's like a wine cellar of some sort.
Well, if there's some wine, pass a few bottles this way.
No, there's... Oh wow, check this. The old iron and that.
Pelly.
Gas mask thing there.
Wow, the salad. Smells damp, doesn't it?
Yeah. Some old scissors. I'm not going to use this. What's that say, guys? What's it say? 1976. Mad. It's like a coal chute, isn't it, that? Yeah. It's definitely a coal chute, guys. Let's see it. The ceiling's quite mad as well, Luke. It's a cool one, guys. It's a cool one. Best get the camera out on and start taking a few shots. Or I'll do that when on the way back, actually. On the way back round. Let's get back up these stairs, guys. Out the cellar, basement, whoa, whatever you want to call it. It's unsafe anyway. Get a few shots, guys. You know, while we're here. I think them guys have left me in here, guys. Let's go a quick look upstairs before we go. Seeing as they've left me. Oh dear. Bloody hell. It's a pigeon. It's a pigeon in its nest. I think I'll leave it to it. Big staircase. Got one picture before we ascend to the bottom. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're here. Keeps getting blurry. It's a blurry one. Let's go. It's weird. Weird one. As if they left me in here. Bastards. Let's get this shit. Get in here before we go. Just last one. Big old window. The window's shut on this one, look. That's cool, that. That is cool. No idea where the guys have gone. No idea. We'll go find me. So that's in that building there, guys. We found some. There's a bit more here. A few bits and bobs. Let's see what site it was. Alright. This is the outside of the house. Where we've just been. You can have a look in this part here now. All these little sheds. I know, yeah. Bit of stuff in as well, isn't there? Inside, look. Yeah, there is. Little chairs and that. Bet they haven't been up there though, have they, guys? Anyway, there's a farm as well. Proper old farm as well. Let's get the to we can have a go, aren't we? We're going to have to. We're going to have to, aren't we? I think it's a dangerous one. Have you not?
No, this walks like a good walk.
Does it actually?
Yeah.
What, bad?
Yeah, it's like coming up like that.
Oh, there's a machine in here. Yeah.
Pankle Farm.
Pankle Farm? This doesn't look safe at all, guys. What am I doing? Can hear a pigeon as well. We've got it. We've got it. This is nuts. Why am I doing all the Daredevil stuff today, man? Fuck's sake. I think they were going to build something on here, weren't they? And then it's gone to bust or something. Something's happened. Look at this. It's sticking in my leg, man. Rip all the wannabes. These trees. I'm alright, I just need to get round this bit here. That's on the tracky. That's an hard one, that is, guys. Jesus. It's an old barn. A door. Not a door. It's definitely a farm, isn't it? But it was something. Got something here. Oh wow. Yeah. It's nails sticking up in that wood then. Glad I looked on the floor. Another old washer. That's about it though. It's round here. It's just old wood. Just old wood, bits and bobs. Bits and bobs. Something's burnt down here. Old truck or something. Oh wow. You can't wear things. That's nuts. I'm trying to repossession my camera so I can have a shot. This old van here. You really won't get caught, but there's like an old van here. Or a truck. Or some sort of thing. A trailer in it. That guy's mad. It's inside the It's a mad one, ain't it? It's definitely a mad one. These containers, they're on the piss as well, aren't they? definitely on the piss. We haven't even had a look at that other place yet. It's in here, nothing much.
Manny's been here all this time. Like, tucked out the way.
I know, yeah. Not many people know about it really, do they?
No one's built houses on this land. This land.
It's Christine trying to rob that thing. Can't get in them containers though, can we?
What's in them?
Nothing, it's all outside, isn't it?
All the crap what they can't take to.
Mad.
Found it 2 days ago, actually. 2 days later.
Classy, classy.
That care room was cool.
Yeah, it does, ah. I think we'll see you on the next one then, guys. Peace out.
Peace out.